walking along, and we're at the pond, and I'm talking to the frogs down there. And I turn around, and Steve walks up first because he's gonna see if he can find any worms. And he's like, "Whoa!" And I'm like, "What?" He's like, "Look!" And all I see are these eyes peeking out. And it's a good thing he told me he was there, because otherwise I would have almost stepped on him and screamed, and the frog would have got scared, and I would have got scared, and the dog would have started barking, and it would have just been a total fiasco. But look how cute! What shall we name him?
Her.
Oh, her. What shall we name her? I don't know. We have bunnies we named this week, so I'm a little under pressure here. I'm going to have to think about it. We have 3 bunnies. We named Buttons, Sausage, and Stew. My husband, Buddy Stew. That's a mean, mean man. Okay, bye, Mr. Frog.